In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add separators on Basecamp. Separators are a simple but powerful way to visually organize your to-do lists, especially when you're managing different phases of a project or grouping related tasks together. We're going to use a small naming trick inside a regular to-do item to create the effect of a clean, clear divider line right inside your Basecamp list. First, open up Basecamp and head over to the project where you want to organize your tasks. Once you're inside that project, go to your to-do list. This could be an existing list you've already been working in, or a new one you've just created. The important thing is that you're looking at the full list of tasks so you can see exactly where a separator would be helpful. Next, you're going to add a new to-do item, just like you would for any normal task. Click the button to create a new to-do. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a real task you'll complete. We're just using the to-do format as a visual divider. In the title field, instead of typing an action item, you'll type something that looks like a decorative line. A common trick is to name it something like 3 dashes, then a label, then 3 more dashes. For example, you might write design phase if you want to group all your design-related tasks under that section. You could also use phase 2 for the next stage of your project. If you just want a simple visual break with no label, you can even use just as the title. The dashes create a horizontal, line-like look that stands out from your regular task names. Finally, place this new to-do item exactly where you want to create that separation. Add it to the list so that it appears either below any tasks you've already completed or right above the group of tasks you want to live under that heading. You can drag and drop it if you need to adjust its position. Everything below that separator will feel like it belongs to that phase or category until you add another separator further down. That's all there is to it. By using a simple to-do item with a dashed title, you can turn a long, cluttered list into a clear, structured workflow that's easier for you and your team to scan and understand at a glance.